If you trade from your phone or you've ever wanted to, this is one app I think is genuinely worth having a look at. It's the PU Prime app, and what I like about it is that they've tried to take pretty much everything you normally have spread across different trading apps and put it into one place. Because think about it, the normal routine. You're checking prices somewhere, opening trading view for charts, looking somewhere else for market news, checking an economic calendar, then going back into your broker just to actually manage the trade. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. This content is for educational and informational purposes only, so always do your own research before investing. With PU Prime, a lot of that can be done without leaving the app. As soon as you're in, you can build your own watch list around the markets you actually care about. So rather than staring at hundreds of different instruments, you can manage your main Forex pairs, gold, indices, shares, or whatever you personally follow right in front of you. And something I really like is price alerts. Let's say you're watching gold, but you don't want to spend the next 4 hours staring at the chart, waiting for it to reach a certain level. Set an alert, get a notification on your phone, and then you can go back and actually look at what's happening. That alone makes mobile trading so much more practical. Then when you open a market, you've got proper charting built in. PU Prime has candlestick charts, indicators, and trading view integration, so you can actually analyze what's happening rather than the app just showing you a basic price and a buy or sell button. So you've also got market news and an economic calendar inside the app. And I think that combination is important because a chart tells you what the market is doing, but you also want to know why something might suddenly be moving. If trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Here's what you can expect. Carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit and stop loss levels, straight to the point market insights, signals built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before making any decision. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with the plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's continue with the video. If there's a major economic announcement coming up, you can see that before jumping into a position. Then obviously comes the main part, actually managing your trades. You can open positions, edit them, and close them directly through the app. So if you're away from your laptop and something changes in the market, you're not completely disconnected from your account. But there's another feature inside the PU Prime app that I think a lot of people are going to be interested in, and that's copy trading. Instead of only trading manually, you can browse signal providers, look through their previous performance, and then choose whether you want to copy them. If you do, their trades can then be mirrored automatically into your account. And importantly, you're not just handing over your account and hoping for the best. There are different copy settings available so you can control things like how the position size is calculated and how much exposure you actually want. And just to be completely clear here, copy trading does not mean guaranteed profits. Traders can lose money. Past performance doesn't predict future results, and you still need to understand the risk you're taking. Another thing I definitely recommend if you're newer to trading is using a demo account first. There's no reason to download an app like this and immediately start risking real money while you're still figuring out where everything is. Get comfortable with the platform, learn how the charts work, create a watch list, test the alerts, and understand how orders actually work first. As for the markets themselves, there's a lot available through PU Prime. You've got Forex, indices, commodities, metals like gold, shares, ETFs, bonds, and more. So you're not downloading an app that you can only use for one market. And then there are the smaller things that make the whole experience easier. You can manage your trading accounts from one login, transfer funds between accounts, and access support 24/7. So my overall impression of the PU Prime app is that it's designed for someone who wants to be able to do a lot more from their phone without constantly switching between different platforms. You can follow the markets, you can analyze charts, and you can also check the news. Set alerts, manage positions, explore different markets, and even access copy trading, all through the same app. If you want to try it for yourself, I put the PU Prime download link below. Download it, have a look around, and especially if you're new, start with a demo account and see how you actually find using it before deciding whether live trading is right for you. And finally, an important disclaimer. This video is for general information and educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Forex and CFD trading involves a high level of risk. Leverage can magnify both profits and losses, and you may lose your invested capital. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Make sure you fully understand the risks involved and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose.